Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Beignet vehicle in Jailbreak. This highly sought-after car is not available for purchase in the standard dealership. It was a special, exclusive reward for players who achieved a significant milestone during a specific seasonal event. Understanding its origin is key to knowing why it's so rare and how it was once acquired by a select few. Let's dive into the details. The Beignet was exclusively awarded to players who reached level 10 during a particular jailbreak season. This was the ultimate prize for completing all seasonal contracts and challenges. It wasn't about spending in-game currency. It was purely about dedication and skill. Players had to invest many hours into the game, completing various tasks to accumulate enough experience points to unlock this prestigious vehicle. What makes the Beignet truly unique is its extreme rarity. Since it was a one-time seasonal reward, it is no longer possible to obtain it directly through gameplay or purchase. This makes it a prized possession for those who earned it, symbolizing their commitment and success in a past season. Its value in the jailbreak community is immense, often considered one of the most exclusive vehicles available. Currently, the only way to acquire a Beignet is through player-to-player trading within the game. This means you would need to find another player willing to trade their Beignet for other highly valuable items or vehicles you possess. It's a challenging process, often requiring significant negotiation and a deep understanding of the game's economy. There are no other official methods to obtain this legendary vehicle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.